my name is Heather Knox. I'm the Chief Executive here in NHS Lanarkshire. I want to talk to you today about where we're at with our third wave of COVID and how we're progressing through that. I'll say a bit about vaccine delivery as well, and then I want to talk a wee bit about retail and what we can do to try and influence improved control of spread within the retail sector. So first of all, just to talk about where we're at with the current pandemic. As of today, I think we have about 340, just under 340 patients within our acute inpatient beds who are COVID positive, and we're tracking where we thought we would be in terms of the modelling that we've done with Strathclyde University. Many of the boards across Scotland now seem to have peaked in terms of their inpatient numbers, and we're hoping that we are not too far behind them. There are a couple of other boards who are like us and seem to be lagging a few weeks behind in that peak, but our modelling would indicate that we should peak out over the next kind of week to 10 days. So we revisit that modelling every week with Strathclyde because it's a real-time simulation model and we feed in the new data. So we'll get new data out tomorrow on that, and I'll be able to keep you up to speed with that when I do my next update next week. So I think there is a bit of light at the end of the tunnel. So just hang in there and we should hopefully see the numbers begin to stabilise and improve going forward over the next couple of weeks. In terms of vaccine delivery, we've now delivered over 30,000 vaccines, and we will be ramping up the programme significantly from the beginning of February. The vaccine cohort that we've worked with so far have been front-facing staff, the over 80s, as well, and care home residents. So we've worked our way through most of that cohort now, and at the beginning of February we'll be moving into the over 75s and the over 70s, progressing through into February. So that's quite exciting. That's moving forward at pace, and pleased with the progress that the whole team has made in that area. Finally, I just wanted to say a few words about supermarkets and retail. When we look at where our new cases have been, where people who've contracted COVID have been over the last 48 hours, the main association we're seeing is with retail. So people have been in shops within the last 48 hours. I'm going to meet with the leaders of the retail sector, with my colleagues from police and the local authorities. We're getting that set up just now. But anything you can do to reinforce with friends, family, anybody else, the importance of sanitising on the way into the shop, sanitising on the way out of the shop, and using appropriately your face coverings. You guys are the experts on how to wear masks. You know not to touch your mask once you've got it on. You know to either dispose of it completely or to put it face down and then wash it at 60 degrees plus. You know all these things. So if there's one thing I can ask you this week is, can you pass on that information to other people so that they can try and stay safe when they're out shopping? Okay, that's all from me this week. Stay safe, look after yourselves. Thanks again for all your help and hard work.